Assalamu alaikum. Please choose. Assalamu alaikum. Please choose the correct translation for this Arabic phrase. 1. كيف استطعت النجاة؟ A. How could she do it? B. How could you do it? C. How could you survive? Please write your answer in a comment. I'll look at it and correct for you. Next phrase. 2. هل هذا ملكك؟ A. Is this yours? B. Is this hers? C. Is this mine? What's the correct translation? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 3. إنها إحدى رواياتي المفضلة. A. It's one of my favorite novels. B. She's one of my favorite friends. C. It's my favorite novel. Please write your answer in a comment. Next phrase. 4. كنا نحاول الوصول إليها. A. I was trying to reach her. B. We were trying to reach her. C. They were trying to reach her. What's the correct answer? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 5. حذرته عدة مرات. A. I warned you several times. B. He warned him several times. C. I warned him several times. Please choose the correct translation carefully. Next phrase. 6. هاتفك كان مغلقا. A. Your phone was off. B. Her phone was off. C. His phone was off. Next phrase. 7. أريدك أن تسامحه. A. I want her to forgive him. B. He wants you to forgive him. C. I want you to forgive him. Please choose the correct translation carefully. Next phrase. 8. لقد دعتني إلى حفل خطبته. A. I invited her to my engagement party. B. She invited me to his engagement party. C. She invited me to her engagement party. Please choose the correct translation and write it in a comment. Next phrase. 9. وفر نقودك لأجل الرحلة. A. Save some money for the trip. B. Save your battery for the trip. C. Save your money for the trip. What's the correct answer? Please write it in a comment. 10. لم يجب على سؤالك. A. You didn't answer my question. B. You didn't answer his question. C. He didn't answer your question. Please write your answer in a comment. I'll look at it and correct for you. Next phrase. 11. تخلص من هذه الأشياء. A. Get rid of these things. B. He got rid of those things. C. She got rid of those things. Please write your correct answer in a comment. I'll look at it and correct for you. 12. لم ينجو أحد. A. He didn't survive. B. No one survived. C. They didn't survive. Please write your answer carefully. Next phrase. 13. لا تتدخل في شؤونه الخاصة. A. Never interfere in my personal matters. B. Never interfere in her personal matters. C. Never interfere in his personal matters. Please write your answer in a comment. Next phrase. 14. عليه أن يتخطى هذا. A. He has to get past this. B. You have to get past this. C. She has to get past this. Please write your answer in a comment. 15. أخشى أنه مخطئ. A. I'm afraid he's mistaken. B. I'm afraid you're mistaken. C. I'm afraid she's mistaken. What's the correct answer? Please write it in a comment. 16. لديها التزام آخر. A. I have another commitment. B. She has another commitment. C. She has another opinion. What's the correct answer? Please write it in a comment. Next phrase. 17. لقد اتخذ القرار الصائب. A. You made the right decision. B. He made the right decision. C. I made the right decision. Next phrase. 18. لم أعد أحتمل هذا. A. They can't take it anymore. B. I can't take it anymore. C. You can't take it anymore. Please write your answer in a comment. 19. لا تزال لديها الكثير لتفعله. She still has a lot to do. You still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to do. Please write your answer in a comment. The last sentence. إنه قادم لاصطحابها. A is coming to pick her up. B. He's coming to pick you up. C. He's coming to pick him up. Please choose the correct translation for this Arabic phrase and write it in a comment. I'll look at it and correct for you. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.